Okay, in this video I just wanted to go over adding values that are dynamically displayed in cells from an array. So we'll add some arrays here. And I think what I'll do is I'll display top 3 programming languages for type of programming, which is similar to what you'll do in your lab this week. So I'm just going to have languages server side. And you can heartily disagree with me if you'd like. I'm just putting some random. Could have made that shorter, huh? Some client side languages, we'll say JavaScript. So JavaScript's the big one, right? Maybe native script. This isn't really a language as much as it is a framework, but just add that to keep the numbers consistent. And then top 3 mobile. And obviously the number 1 is Swift. And let's make JavaScript. Let's say Java. Could probably say C# for Xamarin, right? Or JavaScript for React Native. Okay, so now we've got 3 arrays set up, and let's go down to our text, and I'm just going to remove this. And I'm going to say if index path dot section equals 0. And I'm just going to do this for each section. So if it's section 0, let's load our server-side languages. So let's say let text equal. Actually, let's just set it right to index path dot item. And what's this to unwrap this, right?
Stop.
And then we'll do it for client-side languages and mobile. Okay, so we're just basically all we're doing is we're checking this section, and based on what section is, we're choosing what array to pull an item from, and we're going to pull the number of the array from the using this index path.item. And we already have it set to, by the way, from the previous video, 3 rows in each section and 3 sections in total. So you can see first we have our server side, PHP, JavaScript, Python, then JavaScript, native script, React.js, then Swift, Kotlin, Java. So that's it. That dynamically pulls it from an array. So you can start to imagine how we might pull it from other sources there as well. So we might pull it from a database. We might grab it using a REST API. Could have a different type of data structure in our code. Okay, Actually, I'm going to leave that out for this video. So that's adding an array, and so we just added 3 arrays,